All right, here's the latest on our winter storm. The top heavy storm, as we told you about yesterday, a lot of the snow came down yesterday. We have 10 to 14 inches on the ground. We're recording this at 8 a.m. on Monday morning, and we're still looking at some snow showers lingering on and off, and there will be another burst of some moderate snow by late afternoon and evening hours. You can see right now on our total storm tracker that we can see some snow continuing to build during the afternoon, and another little push there during the evening hours where we could add up, especially this light fluffy snow is what we're looking at. So additional snowfall, 2 to 4 inches, and again, some blowing and drifting snow is a concern. Up north, less than 2 inches, but it's that champagne powder. All right, the winds are out of the north. They'll be gusting 25 to 30 miles an hour into the overnight and early morning hours, so that will be an issue tomorrow morning with the wind chill. When you're out clearing the snow today, wind chill single digits, or if not sub-zero with that snow blowing in your face, especially tomorrow morning when your kids go back to school at 5 below. I'm going to show you our 8-day forecast and focus in on the coastline. After the snow, it's going to be cold. The snow's not going anywhere. Looks pretty good. Looks at highs in the upper teens and low 20s and some sub-zero temperatures for the morning, especially inland areas.